Hello, my name is Jennifer Campbell and I'm a qualified nurse and clinical trainer. I've been a qualified nurse for nearly 11 years, working for both NHS patients in the hospitals and privately for NHS patients. However, come the 1st of April, I may no longer be in a job, and that is because I have exercised my human right to decline this vaccination. Within nursing, we are taught to promote autonomous decision making, we promote bodily autonomy, and we promote informed consent. However, this same kindness is not being stretched out to the NHS workers and other workers in home care. And why is that? We know that whether you're vaccinated or not, you can still catch COVID and you can still spread COVID. So why has this mandate been placed in situ? I feel very, very saddened because we have been looking after these patients for the last 2 years without a vaccine, and we have been doing it with pride and kindness in our hearts. However, now we are being coerced, bullied and shamed into having a vaccine and a medical intervention that we do not want. This has to stop, but we need to do it together. I would encourage all home care companies and the NHS and us as individuals, whether we're vaccinated or not, to question the science. Ask why this is happening. Why are we forcing our healthcare workers to have the vaccination when we know that whether you're vaccinated or not, you can still catch COVID? This is coercion, this is bullying, and this is wrong. It goes against our moral code and it goes against our nursing code of conduct, and we need to push back. As I said, whether you're vaccinated or not, stand with your fellow worker and start to ask why. Start to look at the questions, start to look at the evidence from both sides of the fence. I'm very, very sad to see that this is the case. However, I am hopeful that if we stand together, we can put a stop to this forever. Let's stand together, let's sign the declaration, and let's push back.